Hi everyone. While most of us are aware of the dangers of overeating, there's another issue which a lot of people suffer from, and that is a complete loss of appetite. And this rarely gets discussed. Now, when you don't eat enough, you're depriving your body of nutrients on a daily basis, and this leads to a host of health issues both in the short term and in the long term. Now, I'm here to give you a simple yet powerful technique which will help you in improving your appetite and your overall digestive function. And that technique is Agnisar Kriya. Agnisar Kriya means improving or increasing the element of fire in your body. Let me show you what it looks like. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Bend your knees a little bit, don't strain your thighs, and lean forward. Place your hands on your thighs this way. Fingers pointing towards each other and your thumbs turned outward. So this is your stance, this is your starting position. Now exhale through your mouth and hold your breath. And now flap your stomach as hard as you can. Pull your stomach all the way in, let go, in and out. So keep moving your stomach this way. Let me show you once more. Once you're done, relax, straighten up and breathe normally. You can start with 10 repetitions and gradually build it up to about 40. Few things to keep in mind. This technique should be practiced on an empty stomach. So after you eat, wait for a minimum of 4 hours before you practice Agnisar Kriya. And another very important thing, you have to be consistent with your practice. Make sure you practice this on a daily basis to see results. Now, this technique not only stimulates your appetite but improves your overall digestive function, so you absorb your food a lot better, you get more out of each meal. And of course, this is also a great way to energize your body. So when you feel sluggish, when you feel lethargic, when you lack the motivation to do anything, you can practice this technique 2 or 3 times and you will see an instant boost in your energy levels. If you wish to practice yoga with us on a daily basis, please download the Artistic Yoga app. Here we do detailed sessions every day where we work on various parameters of your fitness and health, like improving your digestion, improving your endocrinal health, developing control over your breath, and so on. Links are in the description.